Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I was sent this automatic chicken pet door, and we're going to give this thing a go and see if it'll end up working for my dog. But I'm going to guess maybe not, but if not, it'll work for my friend's chicken coop. But I don't want to give it to him, I want to keep it for myself. Okay, so let's check this out. So here is the solar panel in there. Here is the device, obviously, it's huge. There we go. I'll leave that there for right now, and then here is some packing stuff, I guess. Okay, so let's open this up and see what we got. Oops. Okay, so this is going to be how it works here. So this is it'll be it, and it'll go up and down based on the sun. And here is a huge manual for it. This is a nice big manual. I haven't seen a manual so nice, man, in so long. I can't remember the last time I saw a manual that I could actually understand. Okay, so let's see what we got here. We have the LCD screen, we have the solar panel. So let's try to connect up this solar panel. Let's see what we got. It comes with a bunch of zip ties, which is good. Comes with a mounting piece. And here is the solar panel itself. And we have a wire to connect it up to USB, so that's good. A bunch of screws, remote control. It's nice to have a remote for it. Okay, so there's everything there. Let's hope everything doesn't fly away here. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So let's see if we can just turn it on from here without anything. Let's see if we need to hook it up. So here is the solar panel. The solar panel, I think, is what has the battery in it. It's got a little bit of weight to it, so that's what we're going to have to hook up. So here is, so it looks like it comes with an extension wire that we could hook it up to USB if we want to, but here's the little wire to connect it up. I've been outside so long it's hard to see. But okay, so there we go. So now we have it hooked up and we can actually screw it on there. So now we should be having power. Oh, we do have power. You guys probably saw it before me. So here is the thing. I can push the, is it up? Is it? Okay, so I kind of figured it out, but you get the idea. It kind of just goes up and down. And when you push the buttons, it works on button, whatever it is button, I think C was the up and D was the down. I'm out of batteries at the moment because I'm not in the sun, but you get the idea. It goes up and down as it needs, and you've got your chicken coop, and you can set the timer and everything like that. So you can open it up at the morning and close it at night or whatever you need to do. So super cool. Thumbs up.